Hello, my name is Joe Koenig, President of Worldwide Technology, a head and neck cancer survivor, and an ambassador to this year's Illumination Gala. I am honored to introduce the Foundation's Cancer Frontier series. As we all know, it takes your philanthropic support to help drive research and innovation around cancer treatments that ultimately saves lives like mine. As a patient who received radiation treatment, I fully understand how innovations like this help drive enhanced treatments while lessening side effects, but ultimately providing a better quality of life moving forward. I hope you consider joining us on the frontier of cancer innovation by supporting the work we do. Be sure to mark your calendars for June 4th for the Illumination Gala, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.
Philanthropy has been a huge part of the Kling Proton Therapy Center from its initiation in 2013 when we treated our first patient. And throughout that time, we've continued to have a lot of support.
We treat over 3,000 patients each year. Over the past 2 decades, we have improved the treatment of cancer by shortening the course of treatment. So the shorter course of treatment that we give to a patient, the better their immune system. Our radiation therapists are remarkably talented and gifted. They understand how to treat patients with every modality of radiation. They treat patients with proton therapy and brachytherapy. We have image guidance systems. We acquire the images to look at the cancer as the patient is being treated.
Our biggest accomplishment in the last few years is the initiation of pencil beam scanning proton therapy. This is the most innovative technology in the proton space and gives us an ability to really give the most precise radiation to our patients. So in addition to being the first center in the state of Missouri and Southern Illinois for proton therapy, we now have this advanced technology. And on the research side, the support has allowed us to do the work behind the scenes that's needed to move treatment forward. We recently received funding from the Foundation for our adaptive proton program, and we're going to use that to really build that program from the ground up. You have a patient on the table, you need to change the plan because the tumor's shrinking or things are changing. That's a lot of workflow from the physician, from physics, through the QA process to treatment. And we need to be able to do that in 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So that's computer coding, all that kind of stuff. And so that support allows us to not only build the program, but also to get preliminary data and other things for other grants throughout the department. So it's really been crucial in getting the program here and then continuing to grow it.
Philanthropists allow us to improve our patient care. The support that we get from the Foundation and from Siteman Cancer Center is extremely important to our investigators, especially when they want to launch new initiatives in drug development and development of new devices.
That is just such a huge advantage for us to have our own internal sources that we can go to with these great ideas. It helps speed things along and then grow those clinical trials into larger multi-institutional studies across the country. I think that's the beauty of practicing here, to be able to decide for any given patient what is the best treatment. Is it surgery? Is it chemo, immunotherapy, radiation, radiosurgery? Having all of those tools just makes it a really great place to practice and why I came here in 2012.